If you're a marketer, then you need to know how to run a Google Ads campaign. Let's get started. First, log into your Google Ads account and click the campaigns icon. Hit the plus button and select New Campaign. Choose your objective like sales, website traffic, or lead generation. Follow the prompts to select a specific goal. Next, select your campaign type. For instance, choose a search campaign if you want to drive website traffic. Set your budget by determining your average daily spend. Then, choose your bidding strategy based on your goals, like maximizing clicks or conversions. Add relevant keywords your audience might use. Write compelling ad copy with your business name, URL, and a clear call to action. Enhance your ad with assets like images, logos, and videos. Set your ad schedule, target locations, and languages. Configure device targeting and consider adding extras like a phone number. Create a relevant landing page and ensure it offers a smooth user experience. Finally, review everything and launch your campaign. That's it! You've just created a Google Ads campaign.